Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Understanding the basics can help anyone start building their financial future. Stocks are a powerful wealth building tool. Learn how to pick the right stocks and manage your portfolio effectively. Bonds may seem boring, but they provide stability in your investment portfolio. Discover how they can balance your risk. Real estate investing can create passive income. Understand the steps to successfully invest in property and grow your wealth. Diversifying your investments reduces risk. Learn how to balance stocks, bonds, and real estate in your portfolio. Setting financial goals is crucial for successful investing. Define your short-term and long-term objectives to stay focused. Understanding market trends can help you make informed decisions. Stay updated on economic news and market performance. Risk tolerance varies by individual. Assess your comfort level with risk to tailor your investment strategy accordingly. Compound interest is your best friend in investing. Learn how to leverage it for exponential wealth growth over time. Consider tax implications when investing. Understand how different investments are taxed to maximize your returns. Investing in index funds offers a simple way to achieve market returns. Discover the advantages of this approach. Start investing early to take advantage of time. The earlier you start, the more wealth you can accumulate. Educate yourself continuously about investing strategies. Knowledge is power when it comes to building wealth. Emergency funds are essential. Ensure you have savings for unforeseen circumstances to protect your investments. Long-term investing typically yields better returns. Embrace patience and avoid the temptation to time the market. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights. Consider seeking professional guidance to enhance your investment journey. Keep emotions in check while investing. Make decisions based on data and analysis, not fear or greed. Invest in yourself through education and skills development. Your knowledge is a powerful asset in the investment world. Regularly review your investment portfolio. Adjust your strategies based on performance and changing financial goals. Peer influence can affect your investment choices. Be aware of trends, but stick to your strategy. Embrace technology in investing. Utilize apps and tools to streamline your investment process and maximize efficiency. Stay informed about global markets. Understanding international trends can enhance your investment strategy. Learn from your investment mistakes. Analyze past decisions to improve your future strategies and avoid repeating errors. Networking with other investors can provide new insights. Join clubs or online communities to share knowledge and experiences. Stay disciplined in your investment strategy. Avoid panic selling or impulsive decisions during market fluctuations. Understand the importance of liquidity in investments. Ensure you can access your funds when needed without penalty. Be cautious of investment scams. Always do your due diligence before committing your hard-earned money. Utilize dollar-cost averaging to mitigate market volatility. Invest regularly, regardless of market conditions, for steady growth. Celebrate your investment successes. Acknowledging your achievements can motivate you to continue on your financial journey. To watch more videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon